Welcome to Z9 Designs. Get ready to hop and spring into the season with 3 fantastic Easter spring inspired crafts that will add a touch of whimsy to your front door, kitchen, or credenza. In today's video, I will guide you through these 3 easy and unique DIY projects that are perfect for the upcoming Easter festivities. From whimsical door decor to delightful kitchen decor and an Easter sign for your credenza. Don't forget to explore my other DIY videos for a treasure trove of simply beautiful crafts that you can easily recreate. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there is something for everyone to enjoy. So, DIY number 1. He is Risen Easter sign. The supplies needed include picture frame, printed He is Written sign, faux flowers, glue gun. This DIY just goes to show that you can have something beautiful for just a few dollars. I found a free He is Risen sign, printed it to fit in my picture frame. I got the picture frame for $3 and some change on sale at Hobby Lobby. I used the template in the frame to size the sign, cut, and put into the picture frame. It looked so spring-like, but thought it needed a little colorful flowers on the outside. So I hot glued a pink, green, khaki, and peach colored flower on the front and embellished with pearls and faux diamonds. I think it turned out spring-like and ready for Easter. Ready for more fun? Join me in the Just Craft Easter Spring Look collaboration featuring 2 fantastic hosts and 2 special guest hosts. Check out their channels for even more creative inspiration and unique ideas to make your Easter spring season unforgettable. The hosts are DIY with Aria and Lowly D's Creations. The guest hosts are Miguelito's DIY and CJ DIY. These are amazing crafters, so make sure you check out their channels, subscribe, like, save, and comment. And the links to their channels is in the description box below. Also, follow the other crafters that have made some things for you to enjoy. The playlist is in the description box as well for you to enjoy. DIY number 2, Easter egg in a nest. The supplies needed include 1 Easter egg from Dollar Tree, 1 peat pot, moss, air-dried clay, plaster colored chalk paint, blue acrylic paint, antique rub and buff, wood glue, and rub-on transfers. I just love working with air-dried clay. I use air-dried clay to make some motif of roses, leaves, a rope, and other curlicues and swirls. Wood glue is used here to adhere them to the peat pot on both sides. Then the Baroque scroll was glued around the top. Once it was dry, I painted it plaster, and then I dry brushed it with watered down brown chalk paint. And onto the egg. I painted a styrofoam egg plaster colored and let it dry. I made some curlicues from air-dried clay and adhered them to the sides of the egg and on top. But then I changed my mind and I decided I wanted it blue, like a robin's egg. so it is beginning to take shape. After it was dry, I took some antique gold rub and buff and went over the motifs. One more thing was needed on the egg, because you know it has to be really special for Easter. I had some rub-on transfers from Amazon that had butterflies and clocks and flowers and script. And I rubbed this on the blank areas and it turned out so cute. I only decorated one egg, but you can do as many as you like. And I put some moss in the peat pot and rested the egg on top. So let me know what you think about this one. I can see it in a variety of colors. So we're on to DIY number 3. And this one I happened to make a couple of Christmases ago, and I took it and I said, you know what, it's just sitting around here waiting for maybe another Christmas, so I'm going to make it spring-like. So the supplies needed include a previous made wood wreath, paper flowers, hot glue, leaves, wooden butterflies, wooden leaves, scissors, and ribbon. This is so easy, a spring or Easter wreath. I used a template to make a circle and cut it out. So basically what I did, I had this acrylic vase that I had gotten from Dollar Tree, and I put that over the paper, traced around it, and then I cut it out. I cut it out into a circle first, and then you can start any place, and you're going to leave about 1/2 inch around as you cut it all the way around until you get to the middle. Then I cut out a little small circle and I just set it aside. Then I rolled the paper from the outside to the middle, adding a small amount of glue as I went along until I formed the flower. You can see how pretty it is. At the end, I hot glued a small round circle at the bottom, and you can make the flowers large or you can make them small. You can make them different sizes. You just need bigger pieces of paper. I just use scrap paper because I have a whole lot of it and I'm trying to get rid of it. So this way I can keep the words that were on the wood pieces and use them for another DIY. All I have to do is just scrape the hot glue off. I made different sizes of flowers with bigger pieces of paper and then smaller pieces of paper. Then I covered the words with the flowers and the leaves. And then I scattered some wood leaves and some butterflies throughout the wreath. After that was done, I put ribbon at the top and glued a butterfly near the top of the ribbon. Look at how beautiful it looks with the yellow and off-white flowers. Now, subscribe to Z9 Designs for a front row seat to all things DIY and creative. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss another crafting adventure. Let's build a community of creativity together. And remember, you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more joy you have. And tag me on social media with your creations using hashtag Z9Crafts. And I might feature your masterpiece in my upcoming videos. So thanks for tuning in. And let's make this Easter and spring season as colorful and crafty as can be. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the creative journey with Z9 Designs. See you later. Bye-bye.